a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is mobile phone. Question number 1. Do you have a mobile phone? Yes, I have a mobile phone. Question number 2. Can you describe your mobile phone? It's an iPhone 14. It has a 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display, a dual lens camera system, and facial recognition with Face ID. Question number 3. How often do you use your mobile phone? It depends on the day, but typically I use my mobile phone several times a day. Question number 4. When did you get your first mobile phone? I got my first mobile phone when I was 16 years old. It was a gift from my parents for my birthday. Question number 5. How did you feel when you got your first mobile phone? When I received my first mobile phone, I was both excited and a little overwhelmed. I couldn't believe I had access to so many new features. I was eager to investigate all of the possibilities and begin using it to stay in touch with friends and family. Question number 6. How has your mobile phone changed your life? My cell phone has changed my life by allowing me to stay in touch with friends, family, and co-workers no matter where I am. It allows me to keep up with the latest news and entertainment, as well as access the internet while on the go. I can also stay on top of work tasks, respond quickly to emails and messages, and stay organized with daily to-do lists. Overall, it has improved the efficiency and connectivity of my life. Question number 7. Would you buy a new one in the future? Yes, I would purchase a new one in the future. Technology is constantly evolving, and I'd like to see what new features and capabilities a new model would have. Furthermore, with regular use, an existing device's performance can degrade over time, and having a new one would be a great way to ensure that I have a reliable device to use. Question number 8. Is your mobile phone important for you in your daily life? Yes, my phone is extremely important to me in my daily life. It allows me to stay in touch with people I care about, access information quickly and easily, and be productive throughout the day. Question number 9. Are mobile phones very popular in your country? Mobile phones are extremely popular in India. This is largely due to the increasing affordability of smartphones, the availability of low-cost data plans, the convenience of having internet access, and the variety of apps available. Furthermore, the availability of mobile banking, online shopping, and other services has increased the popularity of mobile phones in India. Question number 10. What feature of your mobile phone do you like the best? The camera on my phone is my favorite feature. It takes high-quality photos and videos, and I appreciate being able to capture moments on the fly. The camera also has a number of useful features, such as panoramic mode, portrait mode, and night mode, which make taking pictures more enjoyable. The text of all the questions and answers is available in the description.